Hey, yo! Look, man. Nah, I know my last couple videos have been vacation content, and y'all probably ready for me to get back to my longshoreman stuff, my vlogs about my car and all that stuff. But look though, I gotta hit y'all with this last vacation vlog. This is something I was really excited about to do on my vacation. Was actually a helicopter ride. Now, if any of you guys have been in a helicopter, it's really loud. So it's like the whole time. So I have to turn the audio on the actual video down. There was very minimal talking. It was pretty much just sightseeing. But we saw a lot of cool things while we were up in the air. There was baseball fields. There were, there was like this area down to the right when I show y'all in the video. It's like, here in Jacksonville, we got this shopping center called the Town Center. Anybody that's been through Jacksonville, stopped at the Town Center, you know what it's like. Pretty much a shopping plaza with hella stores, lots of places to eat, things like that, But it's kind of like the Town Center, but an amusement park tied together. But you don't have to pay to get in, which is really cool. Like, you can go there and ride the rides. They got zip lining, speedboat. They got Ripley's Museum or Ripley's Aquarium or something like that. They got a lot of cool things and places to eat and places to shop at. You can get all types of merchandise from that city. It was pretty cool. But they got this thing across the street from that where it's like a King Kong kind of thing, where they got like a tower, like a building, and then King Kong is on it. We flew past that, so it kind of looked like we were at a fighter jet flying past King Kong or something. That was pretty cool. But like I said, it's really loud, so I have to turn the audio from that down, and I'm gonna play some music over it so you guys can be vibing that, you know what I'm saying. But you see me with the my barber snapped on the cut. I just had to throw that in there. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm not gonna talk you guys head off. I'm gonna get right to it, so I hope you guys enjoy it.